I'm going to make an earthquake. Ha 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 ha.
So Violy, how was school today?
It was good.
Let's watch the news.
Today on Beyond News, a young teenage girl created an earthquake with all her force at the GoAnimate Middle School, even though GoAnimate is now beyond.
It all began when we were doing a math lesson and all of a sudden the ground started to shake and things started flying around, very dangerously. Wait a minute. I think it was Violy, because she was the only one out of my class when all of this happened. You shall be grounded by your parents after this.
I was in the middle of a math lesson and the shaking of the ground clearly interrupted me. I almost got killed.
And for this you must be grounded by your parents.
The ground started shaking out of nowhere while doing work. And thanks to Violy the brat, my grade will start to fail.
Violy, since you were not in Mr. James' classroom when this happened, you are suspended for 100 weeks.
That's all for right now. We will return to Beyond News shortly after this commercial break.
Violy, how could you do this to your school? How dare you make an earthquake at your own school?
That's it. You are grounded for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Also, I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
It's a VHS of Barney, Sing and Dance. You will watch from now on and forever. Now let's go to your room so we can put it on. There. You are going to watch Barney, Sing and Dance forever.